Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here. And basically what this is a sink drain strainer. So that way when you guys put this into your sink, it actually prevents your sink from getting clogged and everything. So if you guys have a sink that doesn't have like the garbage disposal and everything, this is where this one comes in handy. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. It comes in a pack of 2 of these, and here's what it looks like in the back. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel that they actually use on here. It definitely feels a lot more higher quality than your typical sink drain strainers that you can buy at your local markets. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that they mention it's rust proof, so you don't have to worry about the product rusting over time. And they also mention how the product is dishwasher safe as well. So if you guys want to roll this into your dishwasher to wash it, you definitely can. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. The material on here definitely looks like a high quality material like I mentioned. It definitely has that like mirror finish right here. So if you want to use this like a mirror, you definitely can. If you can see on the top part right here, they definitely have the logo right there. So that way you guys know from this brand in particular with Zulay Kitchen. And like I mentioned, for this product, it comes in a pack of 2 of these. So when you guys take both of them out, this is basically what it actually looks like. So definitely really cool how to provide you guys 2 of these, so that way you guys always have a backup one just in case. But this is basically what the product looks like on this side. Here's what it looks like on the side, and here's what it looks like on the bottom part. So here's a close-up view of what the product looks like. Definitely looks and feels like a high-quality stainless steel material that they use on here with that mirror finish that I mentioned. Same thing for the other side as well. If you can see the way how they design these holes right here, it's definitely big enough for the water to come out. That actually prevents a lot of the stuff from going through, like you're here or whatever. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just go set this up to show you guys how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. And see the way how we have the sink right here? It has a little gap or this hole right here because we have a garbage disposable sink. So when you guys get one of these right here and just put like this, that actually helps your sink from getting clogged and everything. So I'm actually doing a little bit of the dishes right here and try to get some stuff on here to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so see how it builds up all these like food waste right here. So when you guys are ready to throw it out, you can definitely just throw it out and just bring it back over here. Just like that, and you guys are ready to use it again. So that way you guys will never have to worry about your sink clogging or anything. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use. Once you guys put this onto your sink drain, all you need to do is just start using it, and then basically when you guys build up a lot of like food particles or just food stuff or just trash in general, all around, all within like the sink drain area, you can just take this whole entire thing out and just pour it into like trash can or whatever. So obviously this is actually really useful for people who don't have like the garbage disposal at your sink area. Even though you guys do have one, it's still nice to get one of these so you don't have to worry about clogging up the sink over time and whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys don't have like a garbage disposal and you guys have a regular sink, then definitely getting one of these are super convenient and super worth it. So that way you guys don't have to worry about clogging up your sink over time. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.